Hello everyone, welcome to RVM-TECH channel. Today I will be going over how to transfer your data from Android to iPhone. Currently I'm using Samsung S24 FE and iPhone 12. So let's get started. So I'm choose the language, English, United States, continue, setup without another device because we are not you uh, choosing iPhone. So you're going to choose a network. Let me enter the password and so it might take few minutes, so I will be pausing this video and be coming back after this process is done. So you're gonna hit continue data and privacy, you're gonna set adult, you're gonna hit later, just don't use the passcode, do not use the passcode. So now you're gonna hit from Android. So transfer your apps and data from Android, you're gonna hit this option and you're gonna hit this option, the barcode option. Once you do that, you're gonna come to your Android device and you're gonna scan this barcode and it will take you to the Play Store. So you have to download this app. It's called Move to iOS. Once you install it, and I believe you have to enter the and hit continue and continue, agree, do not send. So now you have to enter this verification code. So I'm going to choose Wi-Fi because I don't have a currently type C to iPhone cable. So I'm going to choose continue with the Wi-Fi. So now you're gonna hit iPhone device, you're gonna hit continue, then you have to enter this code 611967. So then it might take few seconds. So now you see all these apps. So whatever apps you want to transfer, you have to allow for all of them. Let's say, so you have to WhatsApp. It will basically bring all the apps. So once you hit continue, it will start transferring your data, but it might take few minutes. It depends on your size of the data, like specifically if you have a large videos and images, like thousands of images, it takes more time. So but once you done that, you will see on your iPhone, then you will hit continue, you will hit forget password or do not have an account, so you click on set up later in a account, do not use. So you're gonna hit terms and condition, continue, not now, set up later. So set up later, do not share, then hit continue, then set up later, then here you go. So you transferred successfully all the data from your Android to iPhone. So if you want to transfer a eSIM, I will be making that video. Stay tuned. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. I will be posting these kind of video more.